All right, so anybody that's interested in getting into training handstands or incorporating more body weight movement is going to want to do this. This wrist conditioning routine is for anyone that would like to get into training handstands or that would like to incorporate more body weight movement into their everyday routines. So before we get going with the routine, we want to make sure that we warm our wrists up correctly so we can do all kinds of movements to do that. Here are some examples. Each movement, we will do about 10 to 15 repetitions for 3 sets. With this move here, I'm just going to sway my body front to back, trying to load as much body weight as I can onto my wrists. You'll see after I do about 12 pumps, that's when I hold for about 30 seconds. Be sure to shake it out when you're done, and if you need to make it easier, remember that you can always go to the wall. Okay, up next we have our wrist curls. This is something that I got from the martial arts world. Try to focus on keeping most of your body weight on your first 2 knuckles, your pointer finger and your middle finger. Be sure to go nice and slow when you do this, trying not to put too much pressure on, but just enough so your body can adapt. As you go through the motions, try to just stay nice and relaxed and focus on your breathing. If 2 hands is too hard for you, make sure you just try to switch to using 1 hand at a time. And always, if you need to, remember to use the wall to your advantage. This will make the movement a lot easier, so that way you can get it done. Okay, our third move for our wrist conditioning routine is going to be the palm peels. Now, this is going to help start to strengthen the muscles in your hand. And as you can see here, I'm slowly just lifting my palm up off the mat and then letting it come back down. As always, go to the wall if you need to make this easier and have some fun. Finally, we have our finger push-ups. Now I'm trying to keep my palm fully off the mat, and I'm trying to keep my fingers as straight as I can. Trying to hold all my body weight onto my fingers. This will really strengthen the muscles in your hand, as well as the stabilizing muscles that you need when you're making corrections with your wrists. Go to the wall if you want to make it easier, and as you build it up, make sure you go back to the ground. The point of these movements is to make them a progression. So as you get better, you can see here how I will slowly shift my knees backwards. But as I keep on shifting my knees backwards, I'm putting more and more resistance onto my hands. So make sure you do the same thing, and good luck with your wrist conditioning routine. Right, so guys, good luck with this wrist conditioning routine. You can incorporate this into your workout schedule about 2 to 3 times a week. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions for other videos. As always, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well. Thank you so much, guys. Good luck. Let's do some handstands, baby. Here we go.